Please do not go by the statistics. Just understand the benefits. There are challenges to it also, but presently the simple thing is you will have to integrate all your streams. Don't get carried away by flipped classroom, station, rotation, etc., etc. वो बड़े आराम से आप समझ लोगे. There is no Greek, Latin to it. Just look at the screen. At the end of the presentation, you will be much better off. This is perhaps the one slide I would request all of you to take your time on. I'm keeping this slide on for at least 20 seconds. Can I go to the next slide, sir? Ananda, sadhana, and shraddha. The joy of learning, the curiosity of learning, the sadhana of learning, and to make the student an independent learner, going beyond the guru, the shraddha part. If you can get it right, I'm sure we'll be better off at that. This is from the Clyde Christensen School. The models are given. Presently, this is only, I would specifically look forward to Harish sir. Going to be online, asynchronous and synchronous. There are going to be assignments. There is going to be CBSE guided stuff. There is going to be state government guide. I am less worried about this. I am more worried about the way we are going to do evaluation and assessment. That is going to be a much bigger challenge because students are going to be at home. At least now I believe. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. In the near future, I believe that we will have to use our school buses also as learning substitutes. They have students sitting with physical distancing norms. This gives you a visual representation. Sustaining the blend, managing redundancy of content and technology. I will explain this a little better after a couple of slides. Right. Is it possible for all of you to see me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. One of the important aspects in this digital world is our ability to throw away, unlearn and throw away redundant material. To give you an example, just check out in February, based on Corona, one of the teachers in the US made an excellent presentation. 10 days later, it was redundant. Yesterday, I showed a presentation where the number of days, the doubling of the Corona numbers in India was 19 yesterday morning. After our session was over, it became 30. How are we going to manage our information flow, overflow, and make sure that we get our Pythagoras theorem and Newton's second law right in the context of our student and his long-term learning future, where the student is going to pick up a job which is not yet created. 54% of our jobs are going to be extinct. New jobs will be created. Did anyone imagine that contact tracing will be a new job post-Corona? Think through this. I will pause it here, ladies and gentlemen. Now you can ask me your questions.
So to start with, Colonel Shekhar, when you are talking about blended learning, do you perceive that there will be any physical changes that we will have to make in our classrooms? And if it is likely to happen, then what is the percentage kind of students that you're expecting to be kind of in home and in classroom? Is there any idea?
Yeah, very clear. My present understanding on all the things, first thing is it's uncertain. Second, from what I've seen across the world, there are 30% is the best you can have it in your school any given time. One model I'm trying to work out on in schools where I am part of is divide the schools into 12 sessions of 4 hours each, 3.5 to 4, right? Get 30% of your students coming in, divide them by 3 based on numbers. Even the best of classes, if they have 30% is workable, a few percentages here and there, and conduct online and offline sessions somewhat simultaneously. I use the term somewhat because one, sustaining this, just to give you an example, there were about 6 students in a district in Britain who contacted Corona. The whole district has been closed now. This is going to be stop and start. The big picture I would have is, I will start with 20%. How I will do it if I am the principal, 20% of the students, senior students to come. I will start with grades 11 and 12, 20% 2 days, add 9 and 10. After 2 days, add 7 and 8. Watch what has happened over days. Revise, revisit. Do not see students coming more than 30%. That's going to be the NCERT CBSE norm. My bigger worry is one, the challenge. I'm in Bangalore. To give you a live example, the school which my wife heads is in a containment zone. She's got 75 teachers. 8 of them are coming or going in from containment red, orange, green zones. Balance that out. People are questioning, get Anju Rana to be hanged upside down because she's the principal. What answers will she give? Who will take responsibility? Are our parents willing to answer this? We have the big numbers. We have over 1 lakh affected. It is still less than 5%. Your death rate is even lesser. The number of people dying of flu is much more in India than Corona. How will we explain this to the parents? So I would take the following strategy. One, get the parents to understand, have transparent meetings with them. Make them buy in. Tell them don't jump if your child gets sick. 2, get your hygiene, sanitation, all the systems sorted out. The child has to come in. You should know that the child does not have something similar. The bigger challenge is 80% of cases are asymptomatic. That's a bigger challenge. So my bigger worry would be our teachers and their willingness to come. Work on them. Get the teachers to deal with 2020 students and parents. Work out a model which the PTA buys into. If the upper limit is 30%, start from 20, stick to 29, and review it after every week. This is what I would do, sir.
Thank you. In that case, if the number of students is 20, then
No, sir.
I think
Percentage 20, not number of students. Percentage 20.
is talking about, Harishji, about the
Okay.
percentage.
Percentage. I would only go to 30 after minimum 2 weeks. And I will not call students below grade 4 anytime soon.
Yeah.
I
It's
will
like
only focus
gradually
on
you-
the school.
Gradually you increase and then you see the repercussions and then you plan
Yeah.
accordingly. So
And
that
there what happens is you have something very important, space. You have mindset space, and gradually you can buy in people slowly.
yeah.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yes.
So
Next question.
because I think the
Yeah, please
government
continue.
guidelines are about to be coming. Possibly they are talking that the government guidelines are
Yeah, they are in the process. They will be
33%
shared. Yeah.
Yeah, but my worry would be there will be a Government of India guideline. There will be Government of India, Government of Delhi, Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, then your local DM, your chairman, you yourself. My point is integrating them into a workable model with the local context.
yeah.
It is vital and important to understand. You know, I'll give you an example where local things matter. I was part in Leh of being the NIOS coordinator. We were in the business of Operation Sadbhavna. So I made sure that these boys in Leh were studying. So one old man, the father came up. Sir, tourist season hai. बच्चों को स्कूल में नहीं भेज सकता हूँ. I was at my screechy best explaining to him how important education is, blah, blah, blah. He said, sir, मेरे बेटे को 1000 रुपया मिलता है हर दिन. अगला 2 महीना काम करने में he'll make 60,000. उतना पैसा आप दे दो, अब जितना पढ़ाना है पढ़ा दो. I failed. So the question we have to understand is, do we understand the context? The parental pressure will mount on you post June 10th or 15th because you think they can keep the children at home, they can do homeschooling, they will be responsible for the children. Nonsense, it won't happen. So therefore they want to palm it off, but they want to palm it off keeping their interests in mind. So how you can get your Venn diagram where their interest and your interest merge together. So I will start with 20%, gradually go up to 30, and I will all the left hand doesn't know the right hand. So it's for you, Harish Sandhuja, it's for you, Sushma Rathori, it's for you, Shikha Banerjee, it's for you, Manjurana, it's that to come up with what you believe is the new normal decisions and then stand by it. एक बार decision होने के बाद हिलना नहीं. Yes. Next question, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can I make a point over here?
Welcome, ma'am.
We were planning to extend our summer vacation. So we did this online poll whether we should extend or not. And I have a message which I want to read it out to you, which was sent to, was in one of I do not agree that the school should extend the summer vacations. I do not know about others, but I prefer that my child is engaged in something for 2 hours every day so that I can do my household work distraction. I do not think about other mothers, but I need that time so that I can rest in whose expense? At the expense of the teachers and the schools.
Yes. Madam, उसमें हमारा भी problem है.
बिल्कुल है.
We have treated parents as customers. It's our problem. This is one of my pet griefs. Harish has heard me often. He would know me better. इसमें I am a super dukhi atma. And I ask this question always. Student is a customer. There was one major webinar I clashed with the participant who was a senior CEO. He said, student as a customer, okay. Who is the customer? Student or parent? He said, parent, okay. Give them marks? No. Student is the customer and give him pornography? Our problem is this customer thing has gone into our head. Two, we have a large number of schools who do not allow parents any voice. So there is this two extremes where there is parental power of an extreme kind and there is lack of parental involvement at all. So we do not get a right balance. And as teachers, we are insecure people. We are super sensitive to the IT industry. They say on an average day, in a school of 1,000 students, they get 150 emails from parents. And the principal tells me, I answer my emails during my up and down travel over car. It takes her 1 hour to reach her school. 300 emails, Manju Ranandi, aap bhejoge, aap jaldi pagal ho jaoge. It's not workable. So the problem is, how do we get the balance map? So this message of yours is going to become much more common as the days pass by. Thank you. Yes, the others. Poonam ma'am.
It's an uncertain, situation. And I think we are still working our heads around how we are going to come up with workable solutions. I agree with you. We don't have answers yet. We all need to brainstorm and then come up with something that is workable, something that will work around. Definitely will be required. A lot of talk with our own teachers. So,
our teachers will be more important, ma'am.
yes.
Our teachers will be much, much more important. They have to be your ambassadors.